Yes, yes, you are. Yes. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll just quickly start. I won't waste much of your time, Charmila. Before I start, is it possible? Is it possible for you to switch on the camera, just in case? If not, that's fine.
Um, sure. I'm like,
Thank you. Yeah, so I'll just give a quick brief about myself. I'm Soumyadeep. I'm a mentor at Code Cardos and developer at Amazon. And as Shubham sir was saying about you, so I thought that I would just quickly chat with you, have a quick 5 minute chat with you, and ask about your experience, how what you have had, which course you took at Code Cardos, how your experience has been currently, what is the opportunity that you have received, where you were working earlier. So just a little bit about that. So if you could share anything about what your experience has been, that would be great.
okay. Yeah. Your name again? I forgot.
Soumyadeep, sorry, Soumyadeep.
Soumyadeep. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Like Charmila here. I was working in E2 Open.
Okay.
I was hired for AI ML, and the company got acquired by Wise Tech, and I was
Oh,
moved to Java project. Java
okay.
was really tough for me because my background was ENC,
Okay.
EC, and like I was working for Python for all 5 years, and it was like a code fixing task. I
Okay.
was struggling, so I resigned immediately. I couldn't handle that pressure. Then I was
In
searching for
there,
a
you were a backend developer, or
I
yeah.
was a backend developer, and I also got an opportunity to work with the rack system,
Oh,
and
oh,
with Cisco client I also worked on the prompt engineering as well. But
okay.
when it comes to interview, I was like really facing challenges. Then I came across this code Kados in Instagram. Then I just enrolled. I was searching for a program. I
Okay.
enrolled. Shani contacted me. Shani
Oh,
contacted me, explained. I was like, really, I was like, I wanted to enroll this program, but I was financially down as it was already 2 months leaving
oh.
like, I
So you had
left
already
the
left
job
that company 2 months ago.
and I was searching. So the amount he told, it was like a huge for at that time. Then I realized, no, I have to upgrade myself.
Hmm.
Then I went to Siemens
Oh.
to give interview. There, the first round, it was written test. I cleared it. I was like confident. Okay, it is like the thing that we can do it. Like I really loved the company.
Yeah, and Siemens is obviously a very good company, very famous company.
Yeah. Then I was like, at least let me crack one or two rounds.
Uh,
The technical first technical round when I went in, he started digging about Langgraph.
Oh,
I was like, I know LangChain. Like I've done the project on that. He was like, no, we are looking for someone who works on Langgraph.
okay.
I broke down there. Then I texted Shani like, Shani, I want to talk with you. Out of
Okay.
like
Yeah.
tears rolling out. Then I called Shani. Shani, I'll join this program. I want to get into job, one or the other job,
Hmm.
within few days. Like like feeling so much depressed.
Hmm. Hmm.
And he was like, please keep your motivation high. Don't get depressed and all. Then next steps took place. Within a week, my profile got optimized. Naukri got optimized. LinkedIn, resume, everything got optimized. Earlier also I was getting calls, but here and there. When I was seeing my calendar in the May, I attended 4 interviews altogether. But I started getting calls back to back, back to back, back to back. My phone charge is like it is getting down. Believe me
And
or
that
not.
was and so did CodeGuardos help you in those profile modifications?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, nice.
After my profile got modified, I was getting 50 calls a day, back to back. If I keep my phone on mute, and if I started, like when I started attending the interviews, like 22 missed calls.
Is it?
I'm like, whom to call back? Some people like call 3 times, and like at least I would have got a 10 to 12 calls. The same people repeated like almost like 20. I was like, what is this? Then I gave an interview to HDFC, and also one more thing, they helped me to prepare well via mock
Oh, okay,
interviews.
okay. So how many mock interviews did you give?
I think I've given 3 mock interviews.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, nice.
So,
And
like,
and so for which program did you enroll in Code Gardos?
Genya, like already I was into like RAG and all. So I wanted to upgrade myself like in a deeper way in Genya. So and I enrolled for Genya.
Okay, okay, got it. Okay, okay. So, yeah, okay. So after that, how many months have you gone through the
Two and a
program?
half weeks.
What?
2.5 weeks.
Oh, 12 weeks. Okay.
No, two
Oh,
2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks.
I didn't get you.
It's been like just 2 weeks, two to
Oh,
three
just
weeks.
oh, just 2 weeks. Oh, okay. That is really great. That is really great. So looks like that you already had the knowledge, but mostly there was needed some profile modification and just a
Yeah.
little few upgrades, and you made it. So that
Yes.
is
Yes.
really great, and this will also help you in a way to go through the course now in a much more relaxed way and gain
Yeah.
more knowledge. And then maybe once the course is complete, you can again try to upgrade into some other company, maybe not immediately, but in a year or so.
Mm.
So,
True.
so
True.
yeah, so that is really nice. So since you have only been 2 weeks here, I hope you have a good experience throughout the course as
Mm.
well,
Yeah.
of knowledge through the
Like
course.
in other program, what we see is like they first give the knowledge,
Yeah,
but code kiddos like first they told will support you for the placement.
yeah.
That
Actually, we also try to give the knowledge first, but probably they would have seen in your case that you already have a good standard of,
mm,
you already are at a decent level, and they can help you get that job probably much quicker. That is why probably they went ahead, and it's good. So right now, where have you gotten the latest opportunity?
yeah, one I got in Deloitte, another one
Oh,
I got in Athena Technologies, another two is in pipeline.
okay,
So
okay.
maybe Monday next week I may get that opportunity as well.
Nice. That is so. What is the best opportunity that you have got compensation wise? If you're not comfortable sharing the exact, you can share a range or something.
Like as I joined my early organization, it was only 8 months I worked there.
Okay.
So that is the reason they are giving 30% hike.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice.
Um,
Okay. That is really good. So hopefully, once the course is complete or once you gain some experience here, you can get an even better hike there. So in
I'm
another
glad
jump.
to hear
Yeah.
so.
So, so yeah, I guess that is a really good feedback from your end. And once you complete the course, probably I would sync up for 5 minutes again and take your feedback again for the entire
Mm,
course. And
yes.
but even then, till now, any points of improvement that you felt where we could improve? Anything from your end?
The way how we can like how to prepare for interview,
Hmm.
how to how to communicate in the interview, what points we have to tell. Like my mentor helped me a lot
Okay, okay,
in my preparation, and if any doubts he used to help me, not like you have to tell like this and this is the and there was like in a mock also they used to explain if I tell some concept in a wrong way they used to tell explain the concept, this is the concept, this is how the things work there.
okay, okay, nice.
So
Okay, so
that's good. It
okay.
is good, I'm happy. Finally I'm happy.
Great, great. Good to see that. Good to hear that. And so, yeah, I guess that's all I had to cover. And thank you for syncing up so quickly. So, yeah, I wish you all the best for many more such offers, and I hope you have a great experience ahead in the remaining of the course as well. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Bye bye.
Bye bye.